Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Heartily welcomes you in our maths class. Students, today we will do the sums of exercise 1.5. Yesterday in the video we have done first, second and third sum of exercise 1.5, and today I will tell you how to do sum number 4. Yes students, so take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes, what is the sum number 4? What's the statement? Make a place value table according to Indian system and show each of the following numbers on it. Yes students, with this it is also given that show the above numbers on the international place value table also. Means we have to show these numbers in Indian system table also and international place value table also. Yes, firstly we will do part A. What is the statement? The digits which are given to us 576250. Firstly, according to Indian system, we will draw this table. We will make this table ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and after that we will write all these digits according to the places. Here we will write 0, here 5, then 2, then 6, then 7, then 5 is there. 5,76,250. This we have written according to Indian system of numbers. Now according to international system, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. We will write all the digits according to the places. Here 5, then 2, 6, 7, 5. It is 576,250. So this number we have written according to Indian system also and international system also. Now we will do F part of the same sum. Yes, what is the statement in F part? 8945944. We will show this number according to Indian system and international system. Yes, firstly we will make the table according to the Indian system of the numbers. Yes, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes, now we will write the digits according to the places. Here is 4, here is 4, then 9, then 5, then 4, then 9, then 8. 89 lakh 45,944. Yes, now it is according to Indian system and we will write international system. Yes, here we will write 4, then 4, then 9, 5, 4, 9, 8. Here it is 8 million. It is 8,945,944. 8,945,944 means this number we have written according to both the systems. Now students, this sum is having 6 parts. 2 we have done, A and F parts we have done. Other 4 parts you will do by yourself. Yes, you will do these sums in your maths notebook. Yes, now let's move to the next sum. Put commas according to the Indian system and the international system of the numeration and rewrite the numbers. Yes, this sum we will do on the book also and notebook also. Yes, now I will tell you how to do part A. Yes, firstly we will write the number 215, 215, then 235. Yes, according to Indian system we have to put the commas. Ones, tens, 100. Yes, then 1,000, 10,000. Like this, first group is of 3 digits, after that comma is used, then 2-digit group, after that comma is used. Yes, it is according to the Indian system. Yes, now according to international system, how the commas will be used? Ones, tens, 100. Comma will be used. After that 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 is there. So we will not separate these two by using comma. So only one comma will be placed here. Yes, now we will do one more part. Yes, we will do D part. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. Yes, here ones, tens, 100, comma, then 1000, 10,000, comma, then lakh and 10 lakh. Like this comma will be used. Yes, now here ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then comma. Here according to Indian system, firstly 3-digit group, then 2-digit group is made. Yes, then according to international system, 3-digit groups are made. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then there is million. Yes, like this you will do all the other three parts, B, C and E, on the book also and notebook also. Yes, and revise 1.5 exercise full in your notebook also. Yes, hope you have understood all these sums. Thanks and have a beautiful day.